Okay, so on one example, Segun Ogungbe, camera please step back. Two famous in the building. My brother Muyiwa Authentic. Please, gentlemen in the camera, let's step back. So I just Adunni Ade take this out. Please hurry up, it's a few minutes after 12 o'clock. My Rama to everyone, hurry up. Step back, enjoy. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Odunlade Lakatabu.
You are watching GboahTv. Kindly subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you.
Members of custom group, can we have you? Custom group, please step up. Slipcase for Sosoni. Relationship. When you think you're doing a good job, please give them a round of applause. I beg of you. Make it loud. Before you take a bow, please, let's all face. Please, let's face. Fire. All right, before we take a bow, we're going to announce best dressed male. Best dressed. I don't know, man. So come here for. All right, I've been told that best dressed male. Ladies and gentlemen, please. Quickly. Like I said, you are the public relations officers of this movie now. You are the PR on social media. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors. Tell them how amazing this movie is. Tell them to go to the cinemas. Hashtag Lakatabu is out. When is it in the cinema? 21st. Let me get the one of you. When is it in the cinema? 21st. Now don't do it with your mouth, do it with your hands. So where's Sukami? Sukami, where you are? Sukami said he wants to say something.